welcome. Today, we're unboxing the sleek and powerful iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2. As we open the black box, the first thing we see is the AINOTE Air 2 itself. It's slim and lightweight. Let's set that aside for now and move on to the next layer. Underneath the product, you'll find two boxes. One for the USB cable and one for the stylus pen. Let's take a closer look at the charger box. Inside, we have a more detailed user manual and a USB cable. Now, let's check out the pen box. The stylus pen is sleek and designed for smooth, precise note-taking on the AINOTE Air 2. And that's it. Everything you need to get started with your iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2. All neatly packaged and ready to use.